Forgot your Snapchat password and can't log into a new device? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to see your Snapchat password on Android step by step. Method 1. Through Google Password Manager. Open a browser on your phone. Make sure your Google account is logged into your browser. Tap on the profile icon on the top right side. Then tap on Manage your Google account. After that, swipe right a little bit and select Security. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Manage Password. Here, open Snapchat.com menu. Type your Google account password. Under the username, tap on I button to see your password. Method 2. Reset password. If your Snapchat account is not somehow saved on the Google Password Manager, follow the second method. Under My Account section, tap on Password. Here, tap on Forgot your password. Now choose one of the options, via phone or via email. If you choose phone number, a verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp. If you chose to go for email, select via email, type the email ID connected to your account. An email will be sent to you with a link to change your password. You can reset your password by going through the link. And that's what it today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. For more Snapchat tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next video.